Hello and welcome back to another video. Around the 12th to 13th of March, REMO experts sent out mails inviting people to complete their assessments. This assessment is more of an entry exam that has 24 questions and one annotation assessment. But I have noticed that whenever people take the test, they get sent rejection mails almost immediately despite taking the exams very well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to navigate this issue. Now this is just like an attempt. You don't really have to follow this step, and I don't know if this is going to work. So this is just me showing you guys how to go about it and also how to go about the exam. So this is my profile on REMO Experts, and as you can see, I already verified my account. Now if you want to do this test, if you were sent the mail to this test, ensure that you complete your profile first so that you'll be verified. Once you've uploaded your passport, you've done all the things that are necessary, then you can attempt the test. I was not sent this test probably because I already verified my account, but this entry exam is more like a ticket to getting your account verified. And just for the sake of transparency, I still have some applications that are still under review, so ensure you do this first. Ensure you complete your profile first before you take that entry exam, so you don't get rejected immediately. I don't know how they are doing it. I don't know if it is a bug or something, but I just know they are rejecting people and it shouldn't be. So these are the instructions they sent. If you've gotten this instruction, all you have to do is just read through the whole instructions before taking the test. You'll be presented with 24 questions, and after you complete the 24 questions, you would have to carry out an annotation task, which is just a 2D bounding task, which means they would give you something. Maybe instead of instructions, they'll tell you, if it is a chair for instance, they will tell you to mark out the chair. All you have to do is just bound the chair, just click on it and all. Now if you want to take this assessment, please do not use a phone, use a laptop. Remember to use a laptop when taking this test, because you can't use a phone to carry out this assessment. Please remember to give this video a like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you'll be aware whenever I post a new video. As a side note, please always read the instructions, always read the questions and the answers so that you don't get confused. Take your time to read them before choosing your answer. If you stayed till the end of this video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.